hi there. And can you tell me what you like about Barracudas? Lovely.
And it's very fun. And the staff are very nice and kind, and especially Charlie.
Excellent. And what sort of activities do you do?
Football, cricket, loads of stuff.
Okay.
Tennis.
And how many years have you been coming to Barracudas?
5 weeks, 7 years long.
Excellent. And will you be coming back in the summer?
Yeah, definitely.
Brilliant. Okay. So, can you tell me what you like about Barracudas?
I like Barracudas because we get to do lots of fun things.
Do you? What sort of fun things do you get to do?
Swimming, basketball, dance control.
Excellent. And I see you've just been having to go on our dance match. How was that?
Really fun.
Yeah? Complicated, so you have to practice.
Thomas.
Hi Thomas, what do you like about Barracudas?
Barracudas is great because we get to do lots of fun things and you get to play and do stuff like swimming and dancing and fencing and basketball.
Okay, and what are the staff like?
They're really nice.
Are they? They're really...
And before we started dancing, we chose something and it was really fun.
Brilliant. Yeah. Yeah.